So welcome to the learning video for C programming learning. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about variable declaration, assigning values to them and printing the values stored in them in the variables. Okay, so first you have to include the standard input output header file if you want to print. Okay, so for any program you have to include the standard input output header file. Okay, that's a preprocessor which is a command to the compiler itself. So the compiler will load that library into the main memory. Okay, so you have to write whatever the operations you want to carry out in the program, you have to put it in the main function. Okay, so now let's see how can you declare the variable for storing the mark, integer number. If you want to store int mark, you can declare. If you want to store your height, you can declare height as the floating point variable. Float height you have to give. If you want to store your section name, okay, only one character will store. Okay, so that time char section name you have to give. Float, if you give a fractional number, you can store. Okay, so if I want to store integer mark, okay, so mark equal to, I can give it as 45 here. Okay, so I am assigning 45 to mark. Okay, so if I want to assign my height, okay, so I can assign it. Okay, height equal to 150, if I want to give it as 5.2 feet, like that. If you want to assign it. Then section name, if I want to give it as D section, I can give here. Okay, so after giving each variable declaration, semicolon you have to give. So after declaring and assigning the value, if you want to check is there any error is there or not, you can just run it. Click on the run. Okay, so I am using online C compiler, onlinegdb.com, so you can just run it and check. Now if I want to print what are all the values I have stored in them, okay, are they correctly stored or not? Okay, so mark is, what is the mark value? So mark equal to, if you want to print integer, percentage %d you have to give. Okay, decimal number it will print, that is the format specifier. Okay, so I want to print mark here. Then similarly I want to print height. Okay, so height equal to percentage %f. To print the floating point number, percentage %f format specifier you have to give. So height I want to print, so height equal to percentage %f comma height is a variable name. Okay, I am giving. Okay, so now third one I will give little change here. So I will just print percentage %c here. Okay, that's a character. Okay, here I will give space and I will just want to print section name. Okay, now let us run and check. If any error it will show, we can correct it. If no error, it will show us the output. So mark is 45, height is 5.2 and D it's printing. Okay, so what is D we don't know. So here you can give it as print the section. So here this is whatever we give within the double quotes, it will just print. So section here if I give which section the student is in, okay, so we can just give it, that will be printed as it is. Okay, so here if you see which section the student is in, it is printing, and whatever stored in the section name we are printing it here using %C, that's a format specifier. And here if you observe, it's like continuously printing without space. Mark is 45, no space, immediately it's printing. So here you can give /t, so what it will do, one space it will give, /t for tab, space it will give, and it will print. Okay, now let's see how it will print. See here, so mark is 45, height is 5.2, space which section the student is in, it's printing. Okay, so now in the new line if you want to print, you can give /n. Okay, these are all escape sequences. So /n if we give the output will be printed in new line. Okay, so mark equal to 45, height equal to 5.2. Okay, which section the student is in. Okay, that section name also getting printed in the next line. Okay, so in this video you have learned to declare the variable of integer type, float type, and character type, and you have learned how to assign the values to the variable. Even if you want to change the values, you can change. If you want to give the value E here, you can change it, section name E. If I want to give the height as 6.2, I can give. If I want to give the mark as 85, I can give. Okay, so now we have changed the value for variable, so the updated values you can see here. Mark is updated from 45 to 85, height is changed from 5.2 to 6.2, and section is changed from B to E. Okay, so you can try these program statements in your system. Thank you for watching this video.